Okay, your easy poached eggs. You want eggs, water, silicone cases, which are ideal for poaching, ideally with a rounded bottom. The other thing you can use is muffin cases made of silicone. They work just as well. And finally, salt and pepper to season to your taste. Okay, lay out your silicone egg poaching rings, crack open your eggs, pop them in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Get all 4 done. Next thing you do, move over to the Ninja and add them with the water. Okay, in your main pan, add cold water up to the 2 mark on your 2 cups on your Ninja Foodi. That will ensure that when it vents off, you'll still have sufficient. Next, you want to place your silicone egg holders around the edge. This will both support them and ensure that the warm water is what circulates them all around. So once they're all in, next step is to use your pressure lid. Okay, next I'm going to place your pressure lid on, and you want to make sure that the vent at the back is set to vent. So you don't want to build up the pressure too much. So what we'll do, we'll drop down to the display panel so you can see the settings. Okay, it's on the machine. I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to put it on the steam function. I'm going to drop it down to 1 minute and then press start. This will start the cycle of building up the temperature of the water and allowing the steam to start coming out of the vent. Once the steam's up to temperature, you'll get the 1 minute countdown. If you like your eggs runnier, I tend to take mine out about 50-55 seconds. Obviously with the Foodi you can't be so precise on seconds unless you're sat in front of the machine. During this time, what I'll do, I'll go and put some toast on and then we will have our breakfast all ready. Right, as I said, I like about 55 seconds, so take the lid off at that point. What I'll do, I'll show you what they look like from above. As you can see, the whites are cooked nicely, the yolks will still be runny. We'll take them out one by one, drain off any excess water from the steam that's built up on top, and put them on our toast.